It's me. At least I think that's me. It is me. Oh, I look sad. Oh, I'm breakdancing. Yo, buddy. He wants to see some ah! He does not want to see some sick moves. Maybe he wants to see some sick moves. You like it? No, he didn't like it. Okay, I'll go. Hey, you guys want to see some break? You want to see some break dancing? Ah, never mind, doesn't let me. Okay, no one sees my break dancing. Oh. What? You frickers. Frick you. Okay. Yeah. Who are those ugly sons of guns? Oh. Lammy. Before us stands the last of its kind. Others we have hunted down and put to the blade. With this final sacrifice, the prophecy will be impossible to fulfill. The heretic who lies bound below will be condemned to eternal captivity, and the old faith shall be preserved. Ooh, I'm fine. Whoa. Okay. Okay, I know this room's supposed to. Oh. I'm gone. You can't kill what you can't see. I know this room's supposed to go. I'm assuming I can't go anywhere else. Hi, dude. How's it going? The one who waits. Come closer, fear not, for though you are already dead, I still have need of you. Those foolish bishops thought they could keep you from me in death, but instead they sent you straight to me. I will give you life again, but at a price. All I ask is for you to start a cult in my name. Do we have a deal? Alright, important decision. On the one hand, I could say yes. On the other hand, I could say absolutely. So the dude wants me to start a cult in his name, but his name is the one who waits. Sorry, bro, I'm not starting a cult named the cult of the one who waits. I'm renaming you, and your name is now Jeff, and this is the cult of Jeff. And if that's alright with you, then yes. See, he agreed with it. He's Jeff now. Take the red crown, which I once wore. With it, you shall command the loyalty of followers and shrink fear into the hearts of our enemies. Okay, Jeff. Return to the land of the living, start a cult in my name, and begin recruiting followers. Once you have done so, you will see me again. Now go. Yes, sir. Get a demon sword? Ah, get wrecked. You didn't want to see my breakdancing? You want to see my breakdancing? Oh, yeah. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. I'll take that. No, frick you. Frick you. Frick you. Ow. Oh, yeah. Okay, this is sweet. This is sweet. Fear not, I am Reptile. I was once a chosen vessel like you, but those days are lost to the winds. I I was sent to guide you. We are deep in the lands of the old faith and in grave danger. Okay, I'm not gonna read all these. There's just too many. Okay, to the woods. Is there any loot? Ha, stupid rat, you're a king. Die, birds. I will become lord of this land. Oh, hi there. What the frick? Okay. One whole coin? Oh my goodness, I'm rich. Do I choose Oh yeah. Okay. Oh yeah. Stupid sluts. Man, there's so much treasure laying out here. Ooh, I'm rich. We have nearly reached safety, but look ahead, another poor soul about to be sacrificed. Rescue them, and they would have no choice but to join your new cult. Yeah, your cult, stupid rat. Only I am the person who Jeff called. Oh yeah. You're mine. I'm sorry, what the frick did I just do to that dude? Buddy? Buddy? You might be wondering why I'm destroying everything. It's because I can. I need no other reason besides that. Burp! Got him. Ooh. Oh, it's rat face. This hallowed ground, which once was mine, is now yours. This crumbling ruin is to be the site of your new cult. We have much to do. We begin by indoctrinating this poor soul into a warm embrace of your cult. Followers can gather resources for you. Order this one to collect lumber or stone. Oh, hey, buddy. How's it going? What's this? I see treasure. I know treasure when I see it. Hey, buddy. How goes it? Convert me to your cult. I will follow your teachings faithfully. The power. Big-eared McFluff. Oh, I can just change what species of animal they are? What the frick is this? What? Hi, you're a fox now. Get wrecked. Choose. I don't think this is how foxes work. Welcome to the cult of Jeff. Oh, okay, that makes sense. Go commit deforestation in Jeff's name. By your hand, our cult will grow powerful, but your followers cannot live on prayer alone. They must eat. Gather necessary resources to build a cooking fire. It will allow you to prepare meals for your followers. Thank you, Big-eared McFluff. I appreciate that. Hunger of your cult can be seen in the top left of the screen. When this gets too low, followers will begin to starve. Find more food while crusading. Pick routes that pass through foraging locations. Plant farms that grow your own food. Seeds can be purchased or bounced while crusading. Oh my good... My guy can freaking... Do you see how fast he's picking? Look at the leaves. Just... What the frick? He's just tearing this bush apart in seconds. Oh my freaking goodness. Basic berry bowl. Wait. I'm sorry, Big Good McFluff. This is all you're gonna get. Let's hope you're not in that 15%. Now we must build a shrine, but first we will need more followers and more gold. Both of which can be found when crusading through the lands of the old faith. Our mutual benefactor, Jeff, has been trapped by the 4 bishops of the old faith. Each of them guards a chain that binds him to the realm beyond. We have conjured openings to the realms. It is your task to track them down and slay them so that he may be freed. Now go. There you shall find gold and willing recruits, and for those who are not willing, convert them by force. This is the best game ever. I get to recruit people, give them stupid names, and give them instant diarrhea by the things I feed them. I didn't know cults were this much fun. Let me go to the... I don't want to go to the green one. I'm going to the red one. I'm going to the purple one. Oh, you look like you. Okay, I'm going through this big one in the middle. The blue one? Fine, I'll go to the green one. Oh, hi, Big Ear McFluff. Hello, squirrel. Have you heard of Jeff? You like me to squirrel? Stop running away. You need to tell you. You! Show your face again and I'm killing you, you little squirrel. You can't leave. Okay, this is pretty fun so far, though. Entering the lands of Bishop Aleshi, those who do not follow the ways of the old faith will be destroyed. Oh, yes. I have free stuff. I got the squirrel. I did it. I did it. That's what you get for not listening to me. Praise the Lamb, conduit to great power, promised liberator of Jeff. So the card showed me once, many lifetimes ago. Or has that yet to be? I've always drawn your cards, Lamb, and yet this is the first. Take these cards, and I will draw another each time we meet. When drawn by me, they will grant you a heart offered. Heals me, I assume. I mean, bird. I mean, how could I refuse those flattering, tiny red eyes of yours that move in weird ways? And that big, pointy head. I mean, oh, you got me. You cannot argue with the draw. One might as well argue with the ocean. Okay, bird lover. I hope you know. I argue with the ocean all the time, and I'm usually right. So, I can't argue with the cards. Yeah. Will you... Okay, you know what? I'm gonna desecrate your corpses too. You don't... I will rule everything in this land and your corpses don't even deserve to rot on the face of it. Yep. Hello there, good sir. Would you like to hear about Jeff? Hey, buddy. Oh, yeah. You're freaking dead. That's what I thought. Crap, all this grass. You good? Oh, not good game, not good game. Oh, it's this dude. I was supposed to kill him. How can this be? You were put to the blade, Lamb, as all your kind, and yet you stand before me, unrepentant. The crown, his power, could it be? But I am stronger still. Turn tail and run, little lamb. No. Yeah. I love committing deforestation in the name of my god, Jeff. A chimicken. McChicken chimicken. I'll save you, buddy, don't worry. Ow, frickers. Oh yeah, don't worry, McChicken, I'm coming. Got him. Buddy? Your mouth isn't where your beak is. I have a problem with this one. That's not how a chicken works. At all. Get. I like how these, like, caterpillar things are indoctrinated into this, what, the old faith? Oh, I can't just kill him. You have come far enough, little lamb. My followers are willing to do anything for me. Can you say the same of yours? I'd give myself to the cause, O mighty leader. Amdusius, that's a stupid name. By the blood of the great ones, destroy the red crown. Okay, Amdusius. You... What the... Bro, you have issues. Bro, you suck. Why are you even trying to fight me, bro? You're so... You have a stupid name. Oh, my goodness. You just let your god turn you into a caterpillar and you're chill with that? Should have followed Jeff. If you followed Jeff, you wouldn't be a caterpillar right now. And you wouldn't be dead right now. I'm renaming you. Yes, I'm renaming you because you have a stupid name. Convert me to your cult and change my name, and I will follow your teachings faithfully. This game is easy. Of course, greed. But I don't want anything else. I'm relieved to see you made it safely, and you have not returned alone. You have convinced more to join our faithful flock. Let us indoctrinate these new converts so that we may continue. Yardry? No. Chimicken McChicken. Okay. Yep, that works. Stone. Either work or worship. Worshipping followers generate devotion for your God. But you collect devotion, you require a shrine. Okay, I guess it's just there. Nope, I know your name. Big-eared McFluff. I think. Collect the devotion of followers generate the shrine to like divine inspiration. Oh yeah, Amdusius. Don't worry, I got the perfect name picked up for you, buddy. Doofus. There we go. I'm pretty sure that's what your name already was. Man, everything's going my way. Alright, Doofus, I'm expecting good things from you. Worship. Collect devotion from your shrine. Once you collect enough, you will unlock divine inspiration. The more followers worship at the shrine, the faster they will fill up. If the shrine is full, they will stop worshiping until it is emptied. Once you have collected divine inspiration, unlock new buildings for your cult through the shrine. Who are you? Temurgray? Alright. Old Raggedy. Alright, that's good enough, I guess. I don't know. Chimicken McChicken, how's it going? Here, I'll help you out. No, I don't want to talk to you. I don't care about you. Do you have that impression? You don't need sleep. Does Jamaica McChicken really look like somebody who needs sleep? No. I can just... Ha! The path is now closed. There we go. The temple is the center of your cult. From there you will preach sermons to grow strong and perform rituals to mold the fragile minds of your followers. You are responsible for maintaining the faith of the cult. If it falls too low, your followers will dissent against you and eventually leave. Your followers are ready to hear your words. Show them that you are the great leader. Preach a sermon from within your temple. Okay. Is that the faith leader? Oh, what the frick is this thing? Accept. Hello there, doofus, big-eared McFluff, old Raggedy, and Jamaica McChicken. Great to see you all here today as I tell you about Jeff. Jeff is great. Yeah, follow Jeff, listen to him, and you won't get killed. Or starved, and I'll give you nicer food than digestion-wrecking berry stew. Sorry. Through the faith of your followers, you grow stronger. Performing sermons will draw power from them and allow you to unlock new abilities, weapons, and curses. Followers with higher loyalty level will generate more devotion. Therefore, the more followers you have, the more loyal they are, the quicker you will gain new abilities. What's this? I see red. Oh, stone. That's just lying about. Are you just... Jamaica McChicken. Come here. Are we gonna have a problem? If I'm finding stone just laying in the middle of the floor, does this mean you're just leaving it behind? You're supposed to gather it and give it to me. Not leave it on the ground like a piece of lazy person chicken. I will call McDonald's and report you, and they'll cook you real good. No doing that. Oh, no. Wait, did I just... Good job. See? Jamaica McChicken. I go over there and I talk to Big Ear McFluff. He just gives me all of the wood he's been mining. And you're leaving it on the ground. If you can't get your act in line, you're never moving on from the digestive wrecking berry stew. That's all you'll get forever. Okay? Yeah? Frick you. Alright, now that's... Yeah. Same goes for you, buddy. Okay. Now I can go. Chest. Oh, okay, that makes sense. Yeah. Squirrel. Ah, got him. How did I go for the squirrel first? What's something wrong with me? If you're in a maze, always go left. Loverbird. When hit down to half a heart, enemies will be dealt 2 damage. Reveal the map. See, I don't plan on going down to half a heart, so I'm gonna do this one. Valve. Ow! You fricker! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness, that's fast. Oh my goodness! Buddy, slow down! What are you doing? What the frick, buddy? Why were you so fast? I'm waiting for some berry stew now. Oh, what's up, Jeff? Very good, my vessel. It seems I chose well and I kept you from death. I'll be watching your every move. Do not disappoint me. Got it, Jeff. Get these berries first. Oh, and some people. The people are hungry. Dropping back resources. Alrighty. I know y'all want some of that digestive issue causing berry stew. Who wouldn't? Who wouldn't? There you are, Big-Eared McFluff. Come on. Man, Big-Eared McFluff. You're cultist of the month. Freaking love you, man. Jamaican McChicken, last as always, frick you. You're lucky I can't feed you to your fellow cultists. Wouldn't a heartbeat. Yeah, back to work, you fricker. No! Big-Eared McFluff, you're fine, you're fine. Wait, man, when times are tough, we can cook grass mills. Followers won't like it. Beat stuff. Try it now. I don't want to cook. You sure you want this crap? Jamaican McChicken, you sure you want this crap? Are you sure? You're sure you're sure. Okay. Guess what? Everybody else gets some nice beef stew. Except for Jamaican McChicken. Frick you, Jamaican McChicken.